Hello students, in this video we are going to see the complete solution of practice prelims paper for IT subject on the whole syllabus, for the full syllabus. So this is basically for science students. So let us come across the first question. So the first question is filling the blanks. So the dash attribute of input tag specifies that the user is allowed to enter more than one value in input element. So the right answer here is multiple. Then we have meta HTTP equi is equals to refreshed content is equals to 5. The page will get refresh after every 5 seconds. So this is the command which you need to give to refresh your page after every 5 seconds. Next, img tag with dash attribute also contributes to optimization. So whenever you give alt tag attribute to your img tag, that is your image tag, so it is going to help you in the case of optimization. Next, smo stands for social media optimization. Then dash statement is used to jump out of the loop. So whenever you enter some loop, whether it is for loop, while loop, so this loop always continues. So to get out of the loop, you need to give a break statement. Dash method of window object removes the focus of the current window. So if you want to remove the focus, you need to make it blur. So the right answer here is blur method. Strlen is a str string length function. Okay, str means string and len means length. So strlen function is used to return the length of the array in the PHP. Next is str to lower means what? It converts the string into the lower case in the case of PHP. Next, business entities conducting business electronically are called as trading partners. And the last filling the blanks is PKI. Lands for means PKI. What is the full form of it? Stands for. It is public key infrastructure. Next, we have state true or false. Now here we have total 10 statements. Each statement carry 1 mark each. So HTML5 does not support type attribute of UL tag. So you can use CSS style. So this statement is true. Next we have the float property defines the flow of the content in CSS. So this is again a true statement. After that we have white hat strategies includes duplicate content. So this is a false statement. It do not have a duplicate content. Black hat manipulates SEO and it has the duplicate content. Next, well labeled images are the part of white hat strategies. So this is exactly true. So whatever is ethical, whatever is genuine, that is followed in the case of white hat strategies. The data collected using IoT devices is used for taking decision. So this is also correct. So whatever data collected in the Internet of Things are basically used to take a proper decision. PAS do not provide collaborative work if the teams work remotely. So this is false. Window object is the part object of all other objects in JavaScript. So this is true. Hashtag is used for a single line comment in PHP. So this is correct. The statement is true. Next, where keyword is used to declare variable in PHP. So this is also true. And the last one is setup cost of e-commerce is expensive. So now whenever we want to set up all the things in the case of e-commerce, then it is a difficult part. So it is true. Next we have MCQs with one correct option. Now here 4 options are given, so you can see the answers for it. So the dash value specifies the character encoding for document. So अगर आपको character को encode करना है, so definitely you require a char set for it. Next, img tag with dash attributes give information about the image. तो image कहाँ पे है, what is the destination of the image, location कहाँ है. So if you want to give all the location or the whole path, so you always give that in the src attribute. So the answer is src. Next, the dash element creates an inline frame. So it is nothing but iframe. Next, in Dash Cloud Services, all the data is protected behind the firewall. So the right answer here is private. Next, Dash method of number object determines whether the given value is integer or not. So basically it is integer, and %, is used to convert the value into integer. Next, Dash script requires web browsers as on interface, so it is client side. Next, Dash function returns part of the string in the PHP. So part means uske subparts, so it is nothing but sub strs. Next, 8th one, Dash function returns the length of the string. So if you want to return the length, you will write the function strlen function. Dash phase of the trade cycle consists of two steps like search and negotiation. Now this is basically from the chapter e-commerce. So it is a trade cycle stage called as pre-sale, in which you have two steps like search and negotiation. Next, license renewals and paying tax can be done through Dash type of e-governance. So it is nothing but government to customer. Next, we have question 4 MCQs with 2 correct alternatives. So again, these are the questions with 2 correct options. So dash and dash are valid scopes of variables in PHP. तो PHP में दो ही वैलिड स्कोप्स है वेरिएबल के, वो है लोकल या फिर ग्लोबल. नेक्स्ट, द SEO इज़ अ टेक्निक यूज फॉर डैश एंड डैश अ वेबसाइट टू बी रैंक्ड हाई इन द सर्च इंजन. तो अगर आपको वेबसाइट सर्च इंजन में हाई रैंक करना है तो SEO का टेक्निक क्या है? डिज़ाइनिंग एंड डेवलपिंग. नेक्स्ट, फॉलोइंग आर द एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ ऑडियो. तो ऑडियो टैग में ऑटो प्ले, म्यूटेड, these are the important attributes which you can write in the audio tag. Next, following are the values of border property solid, liquid, grove and star. So the right answer is solid and grove. Next is following are the properties of DOM. So here basically we have the properties like head and title. Next, we have encryption of two types, dash and dash. It is symmetric and asymmetric. Basically encryption and decryption, where plain text is converted into coded and again coded is converted back into plain. Next is example of bank transfers are EDI, NEFT, IMPS, cash transfer. So the right answer is NEFT and IMPS. Next, the page content optimization can be done using keywords in dash and dash. So basically अगर content को optimize करना है तो basically you use the meta tag. Very important, meta tag you always use, and it is basically written in title tag also. Single line comment in PHP is possible using dash and dash. So you can see the options A and D. Next is an ordered list can be dash or dash. So basically ordered list में हम numbers दे सकते हैं या फिर alphabet दे सकते हैं. We also can give Roman letters also, capital alphabet, small alphabet भी दे सकते हैं. Next is question 5, multiple choice with 3 correct options. So attributes of area tag is, so href, alt, coords. Next, select 3 correct methods of window object. So it is alert, open and close. Now we have match the pairs. अभी सबसे पहले है trim. So trim removes the white spaces from both the sides of the string. So whenever you make a video and you start trimming it, so what do? You remove all the unwanted things, right? So this is what trim does. From side it removes the unwanted material. Use map, client side mapping. Substr returns the part of the string, and blur it, what it does, it removes the focus out of the string. Next is answer in brief. अभी answer in brief, explain in short white hat SEO. तो white hat SEO के बारे में आपको लिखना है. So you all know that it is ethical and genuine way of search engine optimization. Okay, it is very much relevant, on which works on some standards, rules and regulations. It follows some algorithm. Okay, नेक्स्ट इज डिफाइन SEO एंड स्टेट द टाइप्स ऑफ SEO. अभी SEO क्या है? सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. तो उसका काम क्या है कि वेबसाइट को रैंक करना बेस्ड ऑन इट्स परफॉर्मेंस, बेस्ड ऑन द व्यूज़ इट गेट्स एवरी डे. ठीक है, उसके दो टाइप्स होते हैं, एक है ऑन पेज और एक है ऑफ पेज. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ IoT. तो IoT के बारे में आपको लिखना है, एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज लिखना है. सो एडवांटेज में आप लिखोगे एफिशिएंसी, रिसोर्स यूटिलाइजेशन, मिनिमाइज ह्यूमन एफर्ट एंड टाइम सेविंग. डिसएडवांटेज में यू विल राइट प्राइवेसी एंड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. नेक्स्ट वी हैव क्वेश्चन 4, एक्सप्लेन द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. तो cloud computing nowadays, it is very much boom in the market. So we all know that it is making our work very easy. We can save our data in large amount. So the benefit is what? Cost saving. It is very much reliable, and in the mobility is another benefit. Next we have difference between traditional commerce and e-commerce. Now this is very much basic difference which you all should know. Next is explain various modes of payments like credit cards है, मोबाइल है, या फिर बैंक ट्रांसफ़र है, COD, e-wallet. These are all different types of modes of payments. Next is explain the features of 5G. So 5G के बारे में आपको लिखना है. So what it is, what is the full form of it? It is 5th generation cellular network technology. Okay, after 4G comes 5G. It is very much better than 4G. So you can write the benefits of it. Next we have explained the types of e-governance. So e-governance के types क्या है? Government to citizen, government to business, government to government and government to employee. So all these are the different types of e-governance which you need to tell, and you have to give the examples for it. After that you have question number 8, जिसमें आपको programs लिखने हैं. तो this is the question that create a form to accept the name, age, email address from the user. तो then create a submit button to send the data, and the heading of the form should have the background color and different font style. तो यहाँ पे देखो हेडिंग स्टाइल टैग में H1 लिया है, तो हेडिंग को BG कलर है पिंक, फॉन्ट स्टाइल दिया है इटैलिक, एंड टेक्स्ट को अलाइनमेंट दी है सेंटर में. ठीक है, तो स्टाइल टैग में इतना ही दिया है जहाँ पे आपने स्टाइलिंग CSS प्रॉपर्टीज़ को यूज़ किया है. ठीक है, देन डाउन वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ फॉर्म वेर यू कैन सी we have taken name, age, email address, and then finally a submit button. So this is how the output looks. Okay, next is or section. तो और में क्या है? Write the HTML5 code with CSS as follows. Create an unordered list with names, tourist cities. Create unordered list with tourist places of those cities, and divide the list into the section left to right by using CSS. So this is how it works. ठीक है, एक ordered list बनानी है, एक unordered. तो ordered के लिए you will use OL. For unordered you are going to use UL. ठीक है, अभी इनको क्या करना है? आपको लेफ़्ट और राइट में अलाइन करना है. तो इसके लिए हमने क्या किया है कि फ्लोट प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ किए हैं. ओके, सो फ्लोट लेफ्ट for ordered list and float right for unordered list. So this is how you will do the program, and this is the output for it. So this is the output for it. Next is write a program with a JavaScript. So to display the number sequence from 100 to 150. मतलब आपको लाइन से नंबर्स डिस्प्ले करने हैं 100 से लेकर 150 तक नॉन स्टॉप. तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? you will require a loop. So for loop you will take, you will initialize the value from 100, क्योंकि 100 भी आपको प्रिंट करना है, तो स्टार्टिंग में आपको 100 से ही स्टार्ट करना है, ठीक है. सो 100 देन कहाँ तक करना है. सो सेकेंड विल बी वेयर i इज़ लेस देन इक्वल टू 150 and i plus plus, means every time there should be increase with one digit and the output should be printed. ओके. सो डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट राइट का काम क्या है कि जो भी आउटपुट आता है उसको प्रिंट करना है. नेक्स्ट है सेक्शन बी. सेक्शन बी में आप देखो, राइट अ प्रोग्राम यूजिंग जावास्क्रिप्ट, accept a string from the user, count and display the number of vowels which occurs in it. अभी यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि आपको यूज़र से स्ट्रिंग लेनी है और उसमें कितने वॉवेल्स आते हैं. वॉवेल्स कितने होते हैं, ए ई आई ओ यू 5. सो उतने वॉवेल्स को आपको काउंट करना है, ठीक है. सो गिव अ फॉर लूप इन दैट एंड एक कंडीशन दे दो कि जब कैरेक्टर ए है, कैपिटल ए, स्मॉल ई, कैपिटल आई, स्मॉल आई. So all these things you will check and then you are going to count it. So count is equals to count plus 1. So this is how you are going to count it, and then finally you are going to print the output कि ये है इस string का total number of vowels. Okay, so this is the complete paper for solution, answer key solution for practice paper, IT practice paper. So kindly solve the paper, practice more programs as much as you can. If you have any query, you can comment me in the comment section. If you like my video, if you like the content in the video, kindly subscribe the channel. Do recommend it to others. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.